Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine, cookbook recipes written by her daughter Juanita Gutierrez. And this beautiful cookbook containing all the cooking secrets and legacy of my beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, is now available at Amazon.com, Exlibris.com, in ebook and paperback format. And this delightful cookbook is written by her daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And one of the delicious dish in this beautiful cookbook is a dessert shreddings from the cassava root or balinghoy in Tagalog. And this is how it looks like, the cassava root. And when you peel it, this is the skin, and the inside is the white part like this. And these are the shreddings. And these beautiful shreddings, you add some sugar and milk and other delicious ingredients that will make up for the very awesome, majestic dessert. These and more delicious recipes of foods of the Philippines and all over the world are now in Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter Juanita Gutierrez, and this beautiful cookbook is now available at Amazon.com, Exlibris.com, in ebook and paperback format that you could download anywhere in the world. Happy baking, delicious, yummy, heavenly desserts.